Hello everyone, I'm Akanksha Mishra and you are watching TNP Academy. The global shift towards smart cities requires equally smart energy systems. Electricity is the backbone of modern life, powering homes, industries, transportation, and digital infrastructure. But traditional power systems face challenges like outages, inefficiencies, poor integration of renewables, and growing energy demands. This is where ISO 37151-2050 steps in, titled Smart Community Infrastructures, Principles and Requirements for Performance Metrics. ISO 37151 provides a performance framework for energy grids to evolve into smart, resilient, and sustainable systems. In this session, we will explore how ISO 37151 applies to power supply and energy grids, how it supports a smart energy infrastructure, and how its 12 performance indicators can revolutionize energy performance, sustainability, and reliability. Understanding ISO 37151, a smart infrastructure framework. ISO 37151 sets out principles and metrics for evaluating community infrastructures. These infrastructures include transportation, water, energy, and communication systems. It defines 6 indicators for effectiveness, 3 indicators for efficiency, and 3 indicators for sustainability. When applied to power supply and energy grids, ISO 37151 offers a performance-based, not technology-specific approach to transforming legacy grids into intelligent, adaptive systems that align with the goals of smart cities. Effectiveness indicators in power and energy grids. Amenity. In energy systems, amenity refers to the user experience and comfort provided by electricity services. Stable voltage and frequency, consistent access without flickering or spikes, responsive customer service for complaints. ISO 37151 encourages tracking satisfaction levels, call resolution times, and service interruptions. Reliability. This is a cornerstone for energy supply. It involves number and duration of outages, that is SAIDI and SAIFI metrics, voltage fluctuations, network redundancy, and backup capacity. A reliable system ensures productivity and user trust. Safety and security. This KPI addresses physical and cyber risk, electrical safety in homes and substations, cybersecurity of smart grid devices, protection from power surges and equipment failure. ISO 37151 encourages safety audits, intrusion detection, and fault-tolerant design. Resilience. Resilience refers to the system's ability to recover from disruptions, grid flexibility in case of load spikes, backup generators or microgrids, fast rebooting in case of transmission line failure, restoration after natural disasters or cyber attacks. Performance metrics include recovery time and system degradation tolerance. Compatibility. Energy grids should integrate smoothly with other infrastructure systems like EV chargers, water pumps, renewable energy sources, solar, wind, biomass, smart appliances, and demand-side management. ISO 37151 promotes interoperability and communication protocols for grid components. Accessibility. Accessibility ensures that power is available to all, including rural and remote areas, low-income groups with affordable pricing, gender and disability, inclusive services. Grid extension and prepaid metering systems can help meet this target. Efficiency indicators in energy infrastructure. Operational efficiency. ISO 37151 supports efficient use of generation resources, transmission and distribution equipment, smart metering, and load forecasting systems. This involves reducing technical losses, improving power factor, and optimizing asset usage. Availability. Availability is not just about having power, but ensuring it is consistently delivered across regions, available during peak times, aligned with user demand profiles. Performance can be tracked using grid uptime ratios and peak load metrics. Maintainability. How easily can grid components be serviced and repaired? Are there spare parts and trained technicians? Are predictive maintenance tools like IoT sensors used? Can system detect faults automatically? Maintainability improves the system lifespan and reduces downtime. Sustainability indicators for energy systems. Environmental load. ISO 37151 encourages tracking the ecological impact of power systems. Emissions from coal, gas, and diesel. Land use for transmission corridors. Thermal pollution in water bodies from power plants. Reducing the load means cleaner, smarter energy use. GHG emissions. Carbon footprint is a critical sustainability metric. How much CO2 is produced per kWh? What percentage of the energy mix is renewable? Are smart grids enabling demand-side reduction? Low GHG systems are aligned with global climate goals. Resource efficiency. Resource efficiency includes efficient use of fossil fuels, water, and land. Energy conservation through smart appliances. Load shifting to reduce peak demand. ISO 37151 supports integration of these principles into urban energy policies. Building smart, sustainable power futures. Power is more than electricity. It is about quality of life, climate action, and economical development. ISO 37151 is a tool that turns these visions into measurable outcomes. By applying its KPIs, city planners, utilities, and engineers can create smart grids that don't just deliver electricity, but also deliver value, equity, resilience, and sustainability. Smart energy needs smart thinking, and ISO 37151 offers just that. This is all in today's session. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next episode of TNV Academy.